I mean, it's like
it's
this.
good.
It's
getting
there.
there.
It's
Getting
there. Shout out to Goa. आपने घुमा फिरा के बात देसी करनी है. पैर उतने ही फैलाने चाहिए जितनी बड़ी चेडर हो. Says mature cheddar. ऐसा कोई immature cheddar भी होता है? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here again for another session of R&D. What's R&D?
Relax and drink. I am Anand. I am one of the co-founders and distiller and CEO for Now Spirits, which makes Greater Than and Hapusha.
Thank you, sir.
And with me is apparently the infamous, the famous Daman.
I am the professional bar hopper for Greater Than in Goa.
That's it.
That's it. I've cut nahi ho raha. So for today we have a variety of cheese to
Okay.
taste and pair with our favorite gin and tonic.
Why are we doing cheese?
Probably because I'm the cheesiest person in this company.
Okay. But cheese somehow has always been a wine domain. You know, where wine and cheese pairing has always been the thing. No one ever talks about.
I think it's the movement from us being Bhurji to Bhuji.
Oh my. Acha, booji mein.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. ठीक है, सही है. I went earlier in the day and got us some cheese.
Wow, sir.
So we've got a lot of cheese in here that we will go through one by one
Okay, sir.
as we drink our gin and tonics and see which one works.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get our gin and tonics. Woo! Like one person, let him use tongs and I'll use my hand. The classic old way.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या बनाया है यार आपने? Very nice. Okay.
So we usually choose things that are easily available near your place
Correct.
so that you can also experiment the same and let us know in the comments what we should try next.
We'll go with cheddar
Okay.
to begin with. This
एक
is.
किससे कहावत याद आ गई सर मुझे.
अरे भाई, सुनाइए.
पैर उतने ही फैलाने चाहिए जितनी बड़ी चेडर हो. नहीं आएगा किसी को समझ, कोई बात.
Crickets.
I'll get more cheesy.
Cue crickets.
I'll get more cheesy with time. It says mature cheddar. ऐसा कोई immature cheddar भी होता है. So let's follow the process. We'll take a quick bite, followed by a sip of our gin and tonic, and then we're gonna rate this.
Hey, by the way, do you like crackers with your cheese? So I got this one. ये पता नहीं अगर ये हर जगह मिलेगा नहीं, but I guess this is plain crackers with oat.
इनके लिए जो क्रैकर्स हैं आप लोग 50-50 खा लेना घर पे, सेम चीज़ है. Okay.
ठीक है, so full on.
Cheers.
Let's go. That tastes very familiar. You know, cheddar is not मतलब very funky.
काफी
It's like
basic.
that. I would definitely go back for it. I mean, now, if, for example, now that I've had it, I do feel my hand going back towards it.
Okay.
I do want to try it with the cracker as
That
well.
is
so
what
maybe
was in my head.
Yellow.
Elevated.
You know, with the cracker, it is spot on. It's great.
Solid. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
a solid thumbs up.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
It's
Solid
approved.
thumbs up.
Approved, guys.
Okay, next one.
Cheers. Let's
Yeah,
go to the next
okay.
one. Go for another.
Another cheese that is found a lot in like the fancy stores, you know. So if you go to Delhi, pretty much the only fancy cheese we had access to in the beginning at Modern Bazaar or the likes of those kind of places. West Zanner smoked processed cheese.
क्या चीज है?
Wow. Once again.
To be honest, अब आलू जैसा लग रहा है. आलू is the playboy of vegetables. कहीं पे भी डाल दो चलता है.
कहीं पे भी डाल दो. Playboy को मतलब कहीं पे भी डाल. Anyway, let's not go down that path.
Nobody's going down anywhere.
So this is the processed cheese from the Netherlands, which is smoked, and it's got red peppers in there. Yeah. So okay, and then this one.
Bro, I like it. It has so much flavor by itself and it goes so well with the gin and tonic.
Well with
that bacon vibes that it's giving.
I guess it's vegetarian. I'm not sure.
What?
Yeah,
It is.
It's vegetarian bacon. देखो. So it's bacon vibes for the vegetarians out there.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Easy. Okay, so next is again, अरे ये भी imported है क्या? हाँ, Danish camembert. Also, by the way, suitable for vegetarians. So unknowingly, we've done a fairly global R&D session. So camembert is not aged as much as brie. Brie tends to be a little more funky. Camembert is easy.
This is quite young. So is it safe to say this is immature?
Uh, yes, I guess it is immature.
Cheers.
To that. That's nice. It's very different. I did not expect to like this.
This cracker is a real rider.
This is
provider. So for me, it was a no until I had it with the cracker.
Okay, we'll split this. Okay, so just the cheese, just the camembert by itself. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you agreed. So you agreed.
But with the cracker, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No. Yeah.
I mean, it's like
It's
this.
good.
It's
getting
there.
there.
It's
getting
there.
there. So we've got 3 down, 2 more to go. Do you like the hard cheeses or the soft cheeses?
जिंदगी में बहुत hard चीजें हैं सर मेरी, but soft cheese.
Soft cheese. So we go with the
I'm a
soft
softie
cheese.
by the way.
Oh.
You can reach out to me in your DM, like my DMs. Like after last video, I got a lot of messages, but I'm still single, guys.
Shocking.
And for that, are you a camera? Because all I do is smile when I look at you.
That's not meant for me, right? That's actually meant for the camera, right? Someone on the other one.
You,
Yeah?
same.
Cheers to that. Okay.
Such a beautiful boss I have.
Blue cheese. It looks, they basically put mold in there, edible mold in there, and it tastes like, it smells funky, it tastes funky. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Look at that. Actually, that smells like blue cheese. That's
Yeah.
proper. That's like, Okay,
That's-
could be
yeah.
interesting. So let's try that.
Cheers.
Okay.
Very good. Very gooda.
It is very flavorful. We'll say that. It's good, but it's blue. It's not working.
If cracker can save this cheese, then I'm telling you, cracker can get world peace as well. Let's do it. Cheers. Sorry, but ये चीज ना क्रैकर को लेके डूब गया.
Okay, get it over with. 1, 2, 3. No, that didn't work.
तुम वाइन के साथ ही ठीक हो.
Okay.
Anand, are you a heavenly body?
Why are you aiming this at me? Aim it at the camera.
Because you're out of this world.
Okay, so far, where all have we gone? We've gone England, we've gone Netherlands, we've got
Danish.
Danish is what? Denmark बोलते हैं. Denmark. So now
But हम शोलिम भी गए. Shout out to Goa.
shout out to Goa.
Goa. You know what else is made in Goa and is amazing? This gin.
Okay, so the last one
Okay.
that is going to come out of this wonderful bag, which gives us endless joy. Where do you think it's from?
आपने घुमा फिरा के बात देसी करनी है.
हाँ.
और मुझे पता है कि जब वी से कमिंग होम इंडिया और चीज एक ही ब्रांड है. अमूल चीज.
Let's do it.
Let's. Oh, this is that spread one.
No, it's not the spread one. It's
no,
the
it's not.
original. It's that tin, yaar. Look at that.
Looks nice. It
piece
has like
of
texture and all.
That mountain. Okay, so let's try this. This should be very familiar to us. Cheers.
Another familiar thing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. Actually, it's very nice.
It actually is very milky and all.
Good.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, man.
I mean, try it by itself. Try it with the cracker. It's all banging.
Yeah. How much is?
Local is greater, bro.
If you are taking one cheese home tonight, which one is that? It's the pressure moment.
It's a clear winner for me. This one. I'm taking
Yeah,
this
man.
one home.
Same. I'll take this part. At the end of the day, the gin and tonic cheese of choice for us. Again, can be different from you. Try it at home. This is not a don't try it at home.
And if you find like any other cheese, you can obviously recommend to us.
Tell us what we should try next time.
The
Clear
winner.
winner. Yeah, also good. And
Of course,
probably
great.
winner of the day. Thank you, Daman,
Cheers, sir.
for having me here.
So
Cheers. Okay. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Oh wait! Yeah, guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let us know what you want us to pair next with our favorite gin and tonic.
Butter chicken?